5 things people do that dogs can't stand. Number 1, hugging. It's really cute to look at photos of people hugging dogs, but the reality is not so comfortable. Many dogs do not enjoy hugs, especially from strangers. Placing your arms around a dog's neck or body may be perceived as a threat. 1 Most dogs tolerate gentle hugs from trusted humans, but that doesn't mean they actually like them. Number 2, getting in a dog's face and personal space. Much like hugging, dogs tend to dislike it when humans get in their faces. Think about how it would make you feel. Avoid putting your hands in a dog's face, towering over dogs, and rushing towards them. This is especially important if the dog does not know you well. Number 3, not letting a dog sniff and explore on walks. Dogs enjoy going on walks for more than just the exercise. Taking a walk outdoors gives your dog a chance to explore the world. Your dog explores the world primarily through scent, then with his other senses, whereas most humans explore the world first through sight. Rushing your dog through a walk without allowing him to stop and sniff and mark is unkind. Number 4, lack of routine and rules. Your dog may not seem like it, but he needs rules. If your dog is acting out, it's probably because you have not taught him the rules. Training is an important part of providing structure in your dog's life. A routine is important because your dog has an internal clock. Try to feed your dog at the same time each day. Establish an exercise routine too if possible. Number 5, yelling and harsh punishment. No one likes to be yelled at or harshly punished, such as being spanked. Dogs may not understand the words we are saying, but they sense your emotions when you do it. If you have a sensitive or fearful dog, you may find that yelling and harsh punishment actually upsets or scares your dog. Fear does not equal respect, and you will not strengthen your relationship with these methods. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.